Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. Cheers, big ears. We're already uncanny with the Carling Ice, 5.5% alcohol. Cheers, big ears. Today's box is a cardboard box. It's green, white, and black, and, well, a couple of shades of green. Weighs 640 grams. And is, geez, I don't even remember what it is. Let me measure it again. 8.5 inches by 4 inches by 3.25 inches. And it sounds like this when you shake it. Interesting. Looks like this from the end. Looks like that from the front. Looks like that from the top. X1 compatible. What is X1? Here's your barcode. 120W X00206 MJUR. What is an MJUR? Well, this is a compatible Xbox One power supply. No, it's not a Microsoft one, because those are a fortune. This one was like 25 bucks. Input AC 100 or 240 V, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. Output DC 220 watts, 12 volt, 17.9 A. But let's see if that's what it is. I think it might be eggs. You think? I don't know. Like, it's an unboxing. We don't know what's in the box. Just because it says something on the outside of the box doesn't mean that's what's in the box. Listen, listen. Are you ready to unbox a bait? Listen. Did you hear that? Wait, wait. Here it comes. Unboxing asthma. Oh, look! A cord. There's a cord. Oh. There's another cord. And bubble pack. And wait, look. The box is empty. Holy fuck. Look at an empty box. See? You're here for an unboxing. Who cares what really is in the box? There. It's about the box. It's all about the box. Get into the box. Get out of the box. In the box. Out of the box. In and out. In and out. It's boxing. And throw the fucking box away. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. So we got bubble pack. Throw the bubble pack away. So, apparently, this aftermarket one adapter is more quiet than the standard Microsoft Xbox official adapter. And after many years of use, my one adapter burned out. So, there you go. We got another one. It has a plug on the end. You plug it. And that, wait. It has a receptacle. A female end. And you take the male end and put it in. And you become one with the power adapter. There you go, bitches. Wasn't that an exciting and educational fucking unboxing video? How about that? Hey, what if we plug it in? Is it quiet? Hey, look. Oh, wait. It has twist ties. Look. Let's plug it in. Does it do anything? Oh, a red light comes on. Is it a red light district? I don't know. It's quiet. I didn't hear anything. Oh, but it's on standby, so you won't hear anything. There you go, bitches. Plug it in. It works. Drink up, buttercup. Buy a power supply and get plugged in. RTFO, mofos. Until the next great unboxing adventure. Drink beer and rock the fuck on. RTFO, mofos.